growercoach.com. Ken Salvail here today, talking about what makes this plant so great. It's one of our new series that we're doing on plants, and this is a great plant. This is a plant that's super drought tolerant and extremely beautiful. What a wonderful white color. This is a Phlox Davidii, and this is one of the nice Phlox paniculatas that's an upright growing plant, and these are summer blooming, so this one started quite a bit early this year. We're about around the 15th of July approximately, and this particular plant has been here for a long time. It's not really getting much water at all, so it's really a drought tolerant plant. The other thing about the Phlox paniculatas is that they are quite deer resistant as well. But this one, Phlox Davidii, is a winner because of a bunch of reasons. But the number one thing is it's mildew resistant. And I've done videos on these before, and I always show how beautiful and very light green the foliage is. It's just a beautiful plant, but they really don't get powdery mildew. So they're resistant to that issue. And for white, it's pretty hard to beat this one for white in the garden. And white really is the brightest color in a garden, so it really stands out. This guy's just starting to bloom. There's tons of new buds coming on it, and it's gonna bloom right through until September. So I'm pretty excited to see these blooming in the garden. We've gone through and divided them and moved them all through the garden ourselves. Usually we do the divisions on these in the springtime when they're sort of just maybe about 4 or 5 inches tall. Divide the plants up, take pieces that are about maybe say 6, 8 inches in diameter and plant them around the garden. So just give them a good watering in. Once established, they're quite drought tolerant. So again, good plant. The deer, I've never seen the deer eat this. We have deer that come through here on a regular basis, and they totally leave this plant alone. So again, it's another winning attribute for this particular plant. So what makes this plant so great? All those cool facts about this particular one. Great bloom, summer timing through the month of August, July and August. Brilliant white color, deer resistant, drought tolerant, powdery mildew resistant. It's a good one. This was actually Perennial Plant Association Plant of the Year at one point. So you can review that and see that on their website, the Perennial Plant Association. So they're very cool. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for tuning in to Grower Coach, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification button. Have a good one.